Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2022 Honda CRF450R Works Edition. This thing comes loaded with some very serious upgrades. Fantastic suspension, polished and ported heads, full titanium Yoshimura exhaust. This one's got a lot of really nice anodized pieces, upgrade, brake guards, center spools. Beautiful condition, only 5 hours on this gorgeous Honda Works 450. Price to sell quickly for just $11,990. We have financing available. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.